Let me remind you, I'm making this up as I go along. And when it came time for the juice groove, I'm still making it up as I go along. All I knew is I wanted to make some sort of a jig so it could be repeatable from one cutting board to the next. I also wanted it to be used on any size cutting board I might have, plus be able to put the juice groove at any distance from the edge. And I didn't want to spend a lot of money on it either. With all that in mind, I designed and built this jig for cutting boards. I have a video on the design and building of this jig and all its functions that it has. It's coming out about 1 week after this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. And if you didn't notice, here's where the extra T-track came from. After the juice grooves have been put in with the help of my new awesome homemade jig, I will put a chamfer around the top edge and then a 1/8 inch round over on the bottom.